Welcome to the tutorial on creating a voucher regarding to the vendor. Navigate to the transaction. Click on transaction, then select accounting transaction voucher add tax invoice. Select vendor ledger. In the add tax invoice section, select the vendor ledger. When you choose a vendor ledger, the vendor type is filled automatically. If a pro forma invoice exists for that vendor, it will also appear here. You can also check vendor details by clicking on the eye icon. Select agreement number or contract number. Once selected, details like vendor GST, or GST, bill to, ship to, are automatically filled. If ship to is to the same address, simply select yes. Review contract information. From the agreement, you can also check the details like item name, payment percent and amount, total previous bill, current bill, total cumulative, balance. Fill invoice information. For example, vendor GST, Haryana, or GST, Andhra Pradesh, place of supply, Andhra Pradesh. Now select the RA bill no. Invoice number, invoice date, and entry date. Choose item name, ledger name, add new if needed, HSN SAC code, item unit, quantity, rate per quantity, discount, and taxable amount. You can also add more items using add more or bulk upload. Review tax details and totals. Once details are filled, the system automatically calculates tax and totals. In the totals section, you can upload the vendor's invoice. If GST needs to be held, select GST hold yes and assign a GST hold ledger. Advance payment and TDS. If advance payment exists, it will be displayed. Next, select the TDS ledger. The TDS percent and amount will auto-calculate. You can also view complete TDS details here. Round off ledger. If required, you can create a new round off ledger by adding the ledger name, group, state, and RCM type. Save it, and then select either debit or credit. Finalize and save. The net amount will auto-reflect. Try OZ Task Management today.